So can you run the plate or not?
Actually, I just remembered I have a pal at the DMV.
Flash is the fastest guy in there. You need something done, he's on it.
I hope so. We are really fighting the clock and every minute counts.
Wait, they're all slots?
Seconds was going to be quick.
What are you saying? Just because he's a slog, he can be fast? I thought in Zootopia anyone can be anything.
Flash, how do that dash? Buddy, it's nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.
Hey Flash, I'd love you to meet my friend. Darling, I forgot your name.
Officer Judy House, ZPD, how are you?
I am doing just
fine
as well as I can be. What hang in there can I do?
Well, I was hoping you could run a play
for you.
Well, I was hoping you could
today.
Well, I was hoping you could run a play for us. We're in a really big hurry.
Sure. What's the plate?
29T
number
29THD03.
Two 9
THD03
T
HD03 HD03
D
03
03. Hey Flash, wanna hear a joke?
No!
Sure.
What do you call a three-humped camel?
I don't know. What do you call
A three-humped camel.
three-humped camel?
Pregnant.
Yes, very funny, very funny.
Can we please focus on the task?
Hey,
Wait, Priscilla.
Oh no!
yes.
Flash?
What do
No!
you call
A three-humped camel? Pregnant! Okay, great, we got it! Please,
humped